Want to give a powerful speech that people actually remember? It all starts with structure. Every great speech follows this simple framework. Introduction. Grab attention, introduce your topic, and preview your main points. Body. Present each point clearly. Support it with facts, examples, or stories. Conclusion. Summarize your message and leave your audience with something to think about. If you're a student, keep your language simple, time your speech, and practice out loud. Visuals can also help. Different speeches need different structures. Want to persuade? Present the problem, offer a solution, then call to action. Want to inform? Break your topic into clear, easy-to-follow sections. Telling a story? Share the experience and highlight the lesson. You don't need to be born a great speaker. You just need a great structure. Start building yours today.